Hey everyone, coming to you with a haul today. I'm going to start with the household products and then I'll move on to the fall and Halloween. I've had to pick up a few more things just because I knew I would need them for DIYs. So let's get right to it. Okay, the first item I have are Glad storage bags. These are the gallon size, 30% more free, so there are 13 bags in here. And I think that's a really good deal for the Glad. And then I picked up the Gain dryer sheets. You get 15. Also picked up some Reynolds wrap. There's 15 square feet in here. Picked up some spicy cheddar cheese and crackers. There are, I think there's 6 packs in here and there are 4 to a pack. A couple of the t-shirts. This is a 2XL and it is purple. And this one is white and it is an extra large. You have to be careful with these though, make sure they don't have any holes or tears in them because I have run across some that have. Did pick up a couple of packs of the Scott tissue paper, 20 foam cups, the cocoa butter facial wipes, Secret deodorant, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. 2 bars of the Dove for sensitive skin. These are 2.6 ounces each. And then I found these, it's called, I guess the name is Amazon. This is a sweet chili sauce, mild. And then this one is a hot and sweet guava sauce. So I thought I'd give those a try. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use them for. I don't know. If you guys know what to use them for, let me know in the comments below. Or if you've tried them, I'd love to know what you thought. Okay, so that's it for the household items today. And I did pick up 2 of these picture frames. They are 5x7. Haven't seen these before. They're white with gold trim. Really pretty. I did find a couple of the houses. I have 2, now I have 2 more, so I have a DIY in mind for these. And I found the buffalo check pot holders and kitchen towels. They say blessed. And this is what they look like. I do want to try to find the oven mitt. But yes, I think these are really nice for $1. Yeah. And I picked up 2 of the peonies. That's how I say them. So those are really pretty. I picked up 1 willow wreath. These are witch hat picks. You get 3. There's purple and black, green and black, and orange and black. I have a Halloween DIY that I need to work on pretty soon. And this is the mesh tube, and I got the purple. I grabbed 2 of these decorative mesh, and these are the colors on those, of course, for a wreath that I'll be working on. Picked up a bag of the floral moss, and it is 0.67 cubic inches. And then this is 1 ounce of Excelsior. It's kind of like grass. And I picked up this bag of rocks. They had it on clearance for 50 cents. I'm not sure why. Maybe it had been opened I can't tell, but I thought it was worth 50 cents. Picked up another black light, and I picked up the orange. There are 20 mini lights in here, 5 feet long. I got the orange and the purple. And I picked up 3 of the foam pumpkins, if I can get them up here. And I have a DIY in mind for those. I grabbed 2 of these floral picks. They're called Hot Bush, and I got those in the green color. This just says decor. It's mini pumpkins. They're glittery with black polka dots on them. And I picked up 1 more burlap pumpkin. I have a DIY in mind for these as well. And I grabbed the pumpkin. I'm not sure what it is. It's like you could put something in there. Don't know, you can paint it. And I also picked up this little ghost. He's on a stand. And 1 of the wood pumpkins. I picked up 2 of the LED light sets. There are 10 orange lights on each one. This is a pack of 5 wooden pumpkins. And this is a spider web. It's called Ornaments with a spider in the middle. There are 5 in each one, or there are 5 in this pack. I picked up another one of these Harvest Blessing signs. I like the shape of that, and I do have another one. And then these are paper lanterns. There's a jack-o'-lantern. And this one is a witch with stars. You can see the picture right there. I grabbed this little owl salt and pepper shaker set. I thought those were cute. I do have the pumpkins as well. I showed you in another haul. This is a Halloween stencil. And let me see if I can tell you what's on here. Looks like a pumpkin with a hat. And I think that says rest in peace. There's another pumpkin candle and a spider. I'm sure you guys can't see these. There's another pumpkin. This one says Happy Halloween. And back to the front, but yep, so that's a Halloween stencil. Grab 3 more of the white pumpkin clips. They have the little clip on the back. And I found these gel stickers. They have the red truck, pumpkins, a barn, fence, maple leaves. So yeah, I thought those were cute. I found one of these. I saw someone make a pumpkin out of this on YouTube today, and I plan to do that, and when I do and post it, I will shout out to her as well and link her channel. Turned out really cute. I found the metal corn stakes, and I have 3 yellow, 1 orange, and this one looks like it's orange and yellow. So yeah, I grabbed 5 of those. I think these are really nice for Dollar Tree for $1. Yeah, you can't beat that. And then my last 3 items. This is a little Halloween lantern, and it lights up. I think you guys can see that. There, it's off. Now it's on. And why I bought these next 2, I have no idea. But here's the witch. These they're motion activated. And then the ghost, it's also motion activated.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Trick or treat.
So yeah, guys, I thought those were cute. Don't know what I'll do with them, but I have them. Anyway, that's it for the haul, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be with you soon for a DIY. I have a fall series going, and it started this week. Let's see, Tuesday. Yesterday was the first day. So every Tuesday and Thursday, probably up until mid-September or so, I will have a fall DIY for you. So be sure to tune in for that. And yep, that's it for today, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, thanks to my subscribers for your support. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. Till next time, guys, have a great day. See you soon.